Do you really need that crown? Today I'm going to use my global A6 microscope to show you some images that'll give you an idea of when a crown is required and when it's not. Here's an example where a crown really isn't needed to get the job done. By the time we get this cavity out, there's not a whole lot of tooth missing, and it's pretty straightforward to fix this broken tooth with just some filling material. So I'm going to show you how we do that now, and you can see that by the time we're done this filling, the tooth is pretty much back to normal. There's still really good tooth structure left that's natural, so the tooth is nice and strong, but we're not really too worried about it. Now, this tooth is a different story. Here you can see a crack going all the way across that can compromise its tooth structure. This tooth here is very weak, has a huge filling in it, and is likely to break. This one here has already broken, and a crown is a good idea. There are other teeth that are borderline, and this one has 2 cracks in it, but we're not sure how much tooth is actually compromised. So here's a couple things I would ask your dentist. First, get them to show you a picture. Does that tooth that needs the crown, does it look weak to you? Is there a crack in it? Is there something that warrants the crown? Because as we saw from the video clip, a broken tooth doesn't always mean that we actually need to put a crown on it. Sometimes it can be fixed with the filling. Is there more filling than there is tooth left on the top of the tooth? That can be another indicator that a crown may be necessary or advantageous to your tooth. If the tooth is root canaled and it's a back tooth, then another huge benefit for doing a crown on that tooth. Those are just some of the ideas that I can give you in terms of making a decision. Do I do a crown? Do I do a filling? And yeah, just ask your dentist, get a picture, take a look, see what's going on. And you may feel a whole lot better about actually going forward with your crown the next time you're in. Hope this video helps you guys, and we'll see you in the next one.